Today we shall discuss about a new topic in the part of second chapter, that is Vedic culture. In previous videos, probably in 7 or 8 videos, discussing about the history of Indus civilization, like silent features of Indus Valley civilization and what are the economic, social and religious conditions of Indus Valley civilization, and also discuss about the technology and craft skill of Indus Valley people, and finally how to decline of Indus Valley civilization. These topics are discussing in previous chapters. In that subject, one question is main important in the examination point of view, that is discuss the silent features of Indus Valley civilization. That is the essay type question or long answer type question will be coming in annual examination. So you can read very carefully about the when you are read Indus Valley civilization. So let it. Now I will go to my topic. Listen to me carefully. Today our topic is Vedic culture or Vedic civilization. In this topic, we talk about what is Vedic culture and who were founders of the Vedic culture, and what are the cultures and traditions of Vedic people. This type of information can be discussed in this chapter. So first of all, in this topic, in this video, we talk about the introduction of Vedic culture or the background history of Vedic culture. Here, one point of coming back from, after the decline of Indus Valley civilization, a new culture was originated in the replace of Indus Valley civilization, that is Vedic culture or Vedic civilization. This culture was founded by Aryans. Already we discussed in the part of what are the reasons to decline of Indus Valley civilization. One theory was there. That theory was expressed by Mortimer Wheeler. He says, invaders of Aryans was the most popular and important reason of decline of Indus Valley civilization. After the decline of Indus Valley civilization, the Aryans were started this culture and they were lived in villages, but the Indus people are lived in urban sites. So this is our Vedic culture or Vedic civilization is the second major civilization in Indian subcontinent. It is the second major civilization. What is the first? First was the Indus Valley civilization. After the death of Indus Valley civilization, it will be originated on the replace of that culture. That's why we can say, or historians says that it is the second major civilization in Indian subcontinent. And also the Vedic culture occupied a most important place in the history of India. In Indian history, especially in the part of ancient Indian history, the Vedic culture occupied a important place. And how it is started? It is started with the coming of Aryans, who were started the Vedic culture. Aryans were the started of the Vedic culture. And what is the main source of the Vedic culture? How can we say the Vedic culture was a great culture? What are the main source to the study of Vedic culture? What are the main sources to the information about the Vedic civilization? That is, Vedas are the chief source of Vedic culture. What is the main source about the history of Vedic culture? Vedas are the main source or chief source. The Vedas clearly denotes about the information of Aryans or their Vedic civilization. So that's why we can say the Vedic culture name derived from the Vedas. Vedas are clearly denotes about the information of Vedic culture. That's why the historian says that Aryans culture known as Vedic culture, because in this period the Vedas are written by them. That's why their culture is Vedic culture. And when it is estimated, what is the time period of Vedic culture? When it was originated, and when it was existence, and when it was ended. This can be known as Vedic period. The historians estimated on the time period of Aryans is 1500 BC to 1600 BC. What is the time period of Aryan civilization? 1500 BC to 600 BC is the time period of Aryans. And what is the importance of Vedic culture? What is the differences between Indus Valley civilization and Vedic civilization? Here I can told one sentence as here. The Vedic culture should be changed the lifestyle of the people. Comparison with Indus people. When we are compare with the Indus people, the Aryan peoples are changed so many things, and their lifestyle should be much more changes. So many changes are becoming in the lifestyle of Aryans. That is the difference between Indus Valley civilization and Vedic civilization. The changes of Vedic culture, either administration, either society, economic and religious aspects. So many changes are coming from the time to time period. That's why the historians can be classified into two categories of the Vedic civilization. The Vedic civilization should be classified into two time periods. One is early Vedic period, second one is later Vedic period. Early Vedic period is known as Rig Vedic period. What is that? Rig Vedic period. This time period is the early Vedic or Rig Vedic time period is 1500 to 1000 BC. Second, later Vedic period. Later Vedic period time period is 1000 to 600 BC is the time period of later Vedic. And this is the information about the introduction about the Vedic culture and Vedic civilization. And now I say, who were started Vedic culture? Aryans. Okay, I agree with you. Aryans are the founders of the Vedic culture in our Indian subcontinent in the place of Indus Valley civilization. So that's why I mentioned Aryans are the founders of this culture. But Aryans are not indigenous or not native people. They were foreigners. They were not Indian subcontinent people. They were coming from 1500 BC to 600 BC in various times and various regions. They were migrated another places to the Indian subcontinent. On the opinions of historians, excavations and innovations by the archaeologists, so many theories are coming. When the Aryans are migrated to Indian subcontinent, so many scholars, so many historians expresses their opinions on the content of Aryans migration theories. Here I mentioned three stories or three theories are mentioned because the origin of the Aryans is controversial to the study of Vedic culture. And some persons, most of the scholars and historians says that Aryans are arrival between 2000 to 1500 BC, where they were coming from the region. In that matter, different historians expressed different opinions. That's why so many theories came to existence on the migration of Aryans. So first one is Max Muller. He was a great scholar and historian. He belongs to German country. It is European continent. He says that the Aryans came from Central Asia to Indian subcontinent. The Aryans are great persons. The word Arya, Aryans, becoming from the word Arya. Arya is Sanskrit word. The Arya word becoming from Aryans. It means greaters, great men's. Arya means great men's. The Arya word, the word Arya says they were great men's. Actually, they were lived in the southern part of Russian continent and Middle Asia, like Mongolia and north part of China and southern part of Russia. They were lived in that area, especially in grasslands or steppes. During the time of BC 2000 period, they were migrated from the Central Asia and they were invaded on Indian subcontinent. Especially they were invaded on the north last boundary of the Indus Valley civilization. Now Afghanistan border and Pakistan. It was occupied by in 2000 BC. He says, and second theory, B.G. Tilak, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. He is a great historian, belongs to our India, and he was a great nationalist leader and a great writer and poet. He was the leader of extremist in the history of Indian national movement. He wrote a book that is Arctic Home of the Aryans. Arctic Home of the Aryans is written by Bala Gangadhar Tilak. In that book, he says the Aryans came from the Arctic region. Arctic. Where is Arctic? What is the location of Arctic? Arctic means it is the North Pole boundary or North Pole region was surrounded by Arctic. This place was the origin place of the Aryans. Arctic is the original place of the Aryans. Who expressed the Arctic region or the origin place of Aryans? Bala Gangadhar Tilak. And third theory, Swami Dayananda Saraswati. He was also a great poet, scholar and socio-religious reformationist. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. According to the view of Swami Dayananda Saraswati, the opinion of Dayananda Saraswati on the migration of Aryan theory, Tibet is the origin place of the Aryans. Aryans are migrated from the Tibet to the Indian subcontinent regions. These three theories are the most important on the Aryans migration. Whatever it may be, the Aryans came to India and destroyed the Indus Valley civilization sites and cities, and they were started their own culture and their own traditions and their civilization. Their lifestyle was totally different compared with the Indus Valley people. Their occupation was different, their lifestyle was different, and their work sense was different. Why? Because Aryans were well educated and well trained in warfield, and they were greatest and bravest people. That's why their culture was occupied a special place in the history of ancient India. Tomorrow we shall discuss about the Vedic culture. What type of Vedic literature was written by the Aryans? How it is useful to the study of ancient Indian society, particular that contemporary period. We can see in next video.